Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Susan Miss. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, all my students. Come on, give a big smile and wish you also.
Yes,
And
students,
switch on your videos.
join with your videos again and again. We are not giving you instructions. Very good. Riddhi
Good, all
Maliwal,
of you good?
very good. Bada.
No,
Good
ma,
afternoon.
all kids were very nice, sir. They switched on the
Gaurav Vyas,
videos.
Miss
Again,
Lily,
they
those
will switch
students
on.
are very sincere and very clever. How they are responding
Yes.
very nicely. Atharva
Come on, all of
Deshpande,
you. Join the class
Divya
fast.
Erawar,
Tanushree,
Netal
where are you,
Ladda,
Tanushree?
switch on your videos.
Very good, Mokshara. Shabash.
Netal Ladda, switch on your
Shushti, where are
videos.
you? I
Bada.
can't see you. Your video's on, but you're not there.
And here inform
Hello,
to
Tanmay. How are you? Tanmay,
good
very
afternoon,
good.
Dhanashri.
Good,
Yes, bada. Switch on your
Gaurav
videos.
Vyas.
Rest of the
Good.
students, Pranali Cherka, Tejbir,
Good, Akansha.
Sir, today
Pretty
main
good.
is
Sumit Karkede,
Sarva Deshmukh.
Tejas Sangle, Anushka Naktane, Atharva Patil. Immediately switch on your videos.
Good.
sir, today is main quiz or not?
Pratik. Pratik. Lavekar. What eating? No.
He's feeling very hungry, I think. Huh?
No. He was eating in the break, not finished.
Not finished. Immediately join the class.
Karan Manushari. Every time keep video on. Good. Little Lata.
Mokshada,
Shabash.
your
See how
video
nice
is
smile,
on.
no? ऐसे आप लोग देखेंगे टीचर्स को स्माइल देंगे और पढ़ेंगे फटाफट कितना
And
अच्छा
here,
लगता है फ्रेश चेहरा
those who
देखने के
are
लिए
not joining, it's your duty, students. Inform to your friend, join the classes, don't miss the parades. Because IT subject you don't think you will cover in tuition or outside, no one will take tuitions. Okay? Outside also, no one can take. So you join and don't miss the parades. Inform to your friends also, those who are not joining the classes.
switch off your mic beta
Mute
switch off the
yourself,
mics
Tuja. Join fast, bada. See here. And today I am taking you the very interesting topic. You are familiar with this topic, and daily you are using the topic. Daily means not daily, means when you want to place the order, that time you use the Flipkart, Amazon, online transaction. So today our
Sakshita
lesson
switch on
is
the video
online
Anushka
transaction. Yes,
Rutuja Shinde
here.
switch on.
If within time our lesson is over, I will take Menti quiz also. It depends on time. Okay, so you pay attention. Vedant Tamil Kantwar, Bharat Kaulwar, switch on your videos, but fast, join fast.
Omkar switch on your video
Omkar
Omkar
Girvalkar, here, don't waste my time and your time.
Tanish
And here,
Lauti switch on your video
in previous session, we learned
Divya.
about the networking, introduction to instant messaging, then chatting with the contact, Google Hangouts, okay, and online blog editor and offline blog editor. In this session, any student facing any difficulty, you can discuss with me. You can ask questions. Yes, anyone have doubts regarding this session, previous sessions?
Hello, sir.
No doubts.
Hello, sir.
Very good. Your all doubts are cleared. Good students.
Sir, once
Now see
Sir,
here.
Manoj sir.
availability.
Today, practically, I show
There
you
is one
how to
unknown
use the
student.
Flipkart and IRCTC website. Okay, Flipkart almost all students are used. Amazon, Flipkart, and remaining app eBay. Okay, and IRCTC I show you how to use because it is given in your topic Miss portion. So can I share my screen? Students, are you ready? Yes, open your book and keep with you. If you are not purchased, you go and purchase the hard copy of textbook. Soft copy already I sent you on WhatsApp group. Okay, now I am sharing my screen.
Sir, same copy only there or different book?
Manoj sir,
Yes, miss.
someone Vishnu has joined. See who is the student Vishnukar.
Vishnu. Okay.
Vishnu Kar.
Your father.
His fake name. Miss, I remove him. I reported miss. And I have the sum tool miss, Susan miss. Such type of student they are
Yes
joined.
sir.
With the help of IP address, I can search the such type of students' names. I have some hacking
Yeah, I know.
tools.
Sangam Kar's class, a lot of 2 persons are very much troubling.
Miss, I have some tools, and if I know the names, I will report in police also if they are troubling to
Okay.
teachers. I have some hacking tools. Tomorrow is not my period. I will join to Sangamkar class and see there.
Okay.
Switch on your videos. Bharat Kolwar Bada. Now I am starting my period. Don't waste my time and your time also. Varad Amil Kantwar. Vedant. See here. अरे आपका फेस दिखे तो मेरे को और अच्छा पढ़ाना मालूम होता है. फेस दिखने दो आपका. हाँ, very good. Now see here.
Yes, who is it? Sankalp.
Now
Who
one
is
student is
Sankalp?
joined, I think.
It's also unknown, I think.
Sankalp Patel is not our student.
Sankalp Patel is not in our class. Now I am logged the meeting. Okay.
Kshitija, switch on your video.
Yes, miss, I am logged the meeting. Now
Okay.
no one can join. Time is also over. Now no one can else join. Now I am logged the meeting. Okay. Now you are all are familiar with the online transaction. What is OT? Means online transaction. Online transaction is a form of online shopping, or it is a form of electronic commerce where customer can buy or sell goods over the internet. Means you can sell also, you can purchase also the goods. Your own product also you can sell. Already we learned in the first lesson in networking, e-commerce means electronic commerce. Means it is a type of business, B2B, B2C and C2C. All forms of businesses are there. Okay, so online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customer can buy or sell goods over the internet. But for that you require the active internet connection, your laptop, mobile, these accessories. Okay, and you need some app like Flipkart, Amazon, eBay. Okay, many apps are there. With the help of this app, you can place the order or you can sell the goods. Okay, now what is the purpose of online transaction? In which situation or condition we can use the online transaction? See here, a customer does not have sufficient time to visit the store. Sometimes your parents are busy with another work. They are working in government offices. They don't have the time, and the shop times and their working times are not matched. That time we can use the online shopping. Means customer does not have sufficient time to visit the store. In such situation,
voice
we
is
can use
breaking.
the online shopping. Then second thing is, visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. Sometimes what will happen in your surrounding or in nearer shop or in your local market, the product cost is more than the online product, because online product they are offering the more offers. Okay, they are giving the more discount compared to your local market or your nearer shop. In this condition or situation also we can use the online shopping. Okay, this is the second purpose. And third purpose is a product or service that is not available in the local market and it is available only online. That condition also we can use the online shopping. See here, when you want to place the branded product, or you are living in Nanded as like city, and in your local market or nearer shop that branded products are not available, you can place the order online also. Okay, in this condition also we can use the online transaction. Okay, or online shopping. You understand? When we, in which situation we use the online transaction, a customer does not have sufficient time to visit the store, or visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. And third purpose is the product or services that is not available in the local market. That time also we can use the online shopping. Now, what are the features of online transaction? Feature means आपको क्या advantage मिलते हैं? See here, the first one is it saves our lot of time. Okay, instead of going to physically to directly that shop, physically जाना वहाँ पे expenses करना ऑटो पेट्रोल के, so it saves our time, saves our money. This is the first feature. And second one, customer can log almost from anywhere. Means suppose you are in Nanded, Aurangabad, Pune, Delhi, or in suppose in other country also, then also we can place the order. This is the feature of online transaction. Means customer can log or sign almost from anywhere. And third one is you can make your all payments electronically. No need to pay cash. Okay, means cash लेके जाओ, घूमने का डर नहीं रहता है, कुछ भी नहीं रहता है. So you can make your all payments electronically by using your credit card, debit card, net banking. Many options are there. Many payment methods are there. These payment methods we can use and make your payment electronically. And the fourth one is speed of transaction is very fast. Suppose if you want to transfer your amount, you are in Nanded and your friends are in other cities, and he needs some amount and he don't have any amount in his account. That time, what will you do? You use your net banking app and you transfer the amount immediately. He can receive the amount. Okay, that's why speed of transaction is very fast. Okay, understand? These all are the features of online transactions. Okay, now here, when you are using the online transaction, online shopping, we are use the some popular websites. Now in that, the first one is the IRCTC. For what purpose we are using the IRCTC? An online portal for booking flight and train ticket. Okay, यहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन पे जाओ, लाइन में लगो, 2 घंटे उसमें डालो, फिर आपको रिजर्वेशन मिलता है. Okay, instead of going to railway station, through your IRCTC application or app, directly you can book flight ticket or train tickets. Okay, what does IRCTC stand for? Yes, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. Indian Railway Catering. Note down these points not given in your textbook. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. It is a government website. Okay, and offering for booking flights and train tickets. Then next one is the Flipkart and Amazon, an online shopping portal for buying customer or consumer products. Okay, and third one is the eBay. eBay is also an online portal. In that you can buy and sell the products, goods here. Okay, दोनों भी कर सकते. You can buy or you can sell the goods. And Redbus. Redbus is an online portal for booking bus tickets. In Redbus, we can book flight or train tickets. No, Redbus is used only for booking bus tickets, like Ola Cab. Ola Cab, you know na Ola Cab. You can book the auto, two-wheeler, sharing auto, sharing two-wheeler, sharing four-wheeler. In Hyderabad, Mumbai, in metro cities, Ola Cab is available. Okay, in Nagpur, metro cities, not in our Nanded. Okay, these all are the popular online transaction website. Many are there, but these are the online. Okay, when you are using the online shopping or online transaction, okay, which type of payment tools we use in online transaction? Yes, if you place the order, so which type of online transaction tools we use? कौन से tools use करते हो online transaction के लिए? Yes, anyone? Yes, tools I am asking you, application. Which payment tool that we use in online transaction? Yes, any students?
Phone Pay, Google Pay.
Phone Pay.
Net banking.
Phone
Net
Pay, Google
banking
Pay.
is not a
Net banking.
method. Net banking is a Google Pay. Google Pay is a
BMUP.
tool.
Debit card.
Phone Pay.
Debit card is a payment method. Here, cash on delivery is a payment method. Tool I am asking. Application mobile से कौन सा use करते हैं? आपको अगर pay करना है, you can use Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay,
Google Pay,
Amazon
Paytm.
Pay, MobiKwik, Airtel Money,
Amazon Pay.
Jio Money. Okay, these all are the payment tools that
EMI
we use in
Pay.
online transaction. Beam UPI. Okay, this is also payment tools. Okay, payment methods are different and payment tools are different. पेमेंट टूल से आप क्या करते हो? पेमेंट मेथड को कनेक्ट करते हो. ओके, सो पेटीएम, गूगल पे, अमेजॉन पे, फोन पे, एयरटेल मनी, मोबीक्विक, many are there, Jio Money, these all are the payment tools. Now, what are the different types of payment methods we use in online transaction? Payment methods. Now you tell. Payment methods. How
Debit
to pay
card.
the amount?
Cash on
Debit
delivery.
card, debit
Cash on
card,
delivery. Very good.
Credit
Then
card. Cash on delivery.
debit card, credit card.
online banking,
Online banking means net banking,
Net banking.
e-banking voucher, gift voucher. These all are the payment methods. You understand difference between the payment tool and payment methods? Payment method, debit card, net banking, credit card, cash on delivery, e-banking, gift voucher. These all are the payment methods. Okay. Now you tell me what are the different types of financial transaction processes. ये पता है कि आपको financial transaction processes. What are the different types of financial transaction process? Yes. Suppose if you want to send some amount to your friends or relatives through your banking app, that time you will see their NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, these three options are there. रहते हैं क्या वहाँ पे? See here, when your mother or father is doing transaction, you see there the three transaction processes are there. NEFT, yes, next one is RTGS, then next one is the IMPS. और एक रहता है ECS रहता है, but that we not use in our mobile banking app. Now, what does stand for NEFT? National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT stand for National Electronic Fund Transfer. Instead of going to बैंक में जाना, अमाउंट भरना, उसमें टाइम बहुत वेस्ट होता है. DD निकालना, OD निकालना, उसमें टाइम वेस्ट होता है. So when you want to send amount to your vendors, your distributors or your shopkeepers, we use the NEFT, RTGS and IMPS transaction process. In that NEFT stand for National Electronic Fund Transfer and RTGS stand for real-time gross settlement. Real-time gross settlement. What is the difference between NEFT? When we use NEFT and when we use the RTGS, see here, both are based on two different concepts, namely gross settlement. Gross settlement कौन सा है? RTGS, and net settlement is the NEFT. But RTGS is the right option for transferring the large amount of money. When you want to send large amount through your account, that time we use the RTGS. Large amount means how much amount? More than 2 lakhs or more than 2 lakhs अगर भेजना है, then that time we use the RTGS. Okay, but when you want to send the less amount, then and in between 1 rupees to 2 lakh, that time we use the NEFT. Okay. That you understood this different, but both are safe and secure payment system. दोनों भी safe है, secure है. Okay. Now IMPS means immediate payment service. जब आप आपके अकाउंट से मोबाइल से भेजते हो, so instead of NEFT and RTGS mostly use the business person. अपने को अगर भेजना है आपके मोबाइल से, then that time we use the IMPS, immediate payment service. And in that fourth one is the transaction process, ECS. What does ECS stand for? Electronic clearing system. When we use the ECS, अमाउंट ट्रांसफर करने के लिए नहीं आता है. बैंक में से जब आप लोन लेते हो, when you applied for loan in any bank for business or house loan, that time we have to pay our bank's amount in a installment. Installment में EMI जिसको कहते हैं आप, installment में देना पड़ता है. Then how to pay the EMI or installment? There are the several ways. Directly you can go in bank and pay the cash, or you can give the checks. Okay, and third method is ECS. ECS means electronic clearing system. If your installment and connected with your bank, जो बैंक में से लोन लिए उन्होंने ECS किए, तो क्या होता है, automatically your EMI will be deducted from your account. आपके अकाउंट से ऑटोमेटिकली अमाउंट डिडक्ट हो जाता है एक डेट दिए वाली, जो भी डेट दिए वाली है. That is known as ECS. Understand? These all are the transactional process. Now let us see here online transaction using Flipkart and IRCTC. I show you here the practically how to use the use Flipkart. Then also you see here how to use the Flipkart. Open the Flipkart website, type your login name and password. Otherwise, type your mobile number and ask for the OTP. With the help of OTP, also you can log into the Flipkart or Amazon. Now already my account is open here. See here, my name is here. Okay. Now once you log into your Flipkart or Amazon, you can see the here home page. On home page, you can see the here different types of categories. So you know your categories and your product, your goods are in categories. You directly click on these categories. Okay. If your product is not in categories, then you type in search for products text box. Okay. Suppose I have to place here the keyboard दे देंगे order keyboard. Once you type your keyboard and press the enter, then according to your keywords, it shows the product. Okay. Now you see your product. See here amount also given here, specification also given. Suppose if you want to place this keyboard, you click here. Okay, then here are the two options. Here amount, offer, some offers, bank offer is given here. It depends on your account. Okay, now if you want to directly your order is finalized, then you click on buy now. But again, if you want to compare with other products, then you click on the add to cart. Then what will happen? Your product, your selected item will be added in your cart here. Now you place the order. See here, when you click on place order, then what will happen? See here, here is the loading. It is searching, but nowadays lockdown is also there. That's why. See here, now delivery address is asking here. Now many times more than one delivery address are added in my account. 3 addresses are added here. Now you select the proper delivery address and then click on the which option? Yes, deliver here. Okay. Then उसके बाद क्या करना है? Continue. अभी आपको जो चाहिए, देखो how many items added in my cart? 4 items. सभी देना है तो क्या करना है? Continue करना है. If you want to place one order, then you click here. If you want to remove, you remove here. Remove हो जाएगा. देखो मैं remove पे किया. ये चाहिए क्या? नहीं चाहिए. Remove कर दो. Okay. Now you want to place the order only keyboard. Then you click on the continue. Then he is asking for the payment method. See here, payment option he is asking. See here are the some banks are added in my account. जो भी आपके बैंक अकाउंट से ऐड करके रखना है. Now here is the UPI, wallets, credit card, debit card, net banking, cash on delivery. So many methods are here. Payment methods are here. अगर आपको घर पे आने के बाद देना है हाउस पे, then you can select the cash on delivery. If you want to pay directly, you can use the net banking. If you want to, if you have credit card, debit card, or ATM, because with in debit card or credit card, they are offering some more discount. That time you can use the credit card. Okay, now I am selecting the here net banking. Okay, once you select the net banking, then what will happen? It shows the some bank names. If your bank name is in your list, then you select here. Otherwise, you click on the other bank. I have 3-4 accounts. I am selecting the here Karur Bank. Okay. Now select and then click here pay. अब पे को नहीं क्लिक करूंगा. पे को क्लिक करने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? He is asking for the bank username and password. Which bank I am showing you na here, that bank name and username and password is asking. Once you provide the username and password and click on submit, then one more again dialog box will appear. Then he will ask for the T pin, means transaction pin रहता है, T pin, and he will provide one OTP for security reason. आप यूज कर रहे हैं या कोई अदर यूज कर रहा है, और OTP कहाँ आएगा? योर वैलिड मोबाइल नंबर, जो भी बैंक में आपका मोबाइल नंबर कनेक्टेड है, the OTP will send there with the help. Then you have to provide the OTP and then click on submit. Then you can, as like you can place the order. Understand? As like we can use the Flipkart or this Amazon. Now I show you the here IRCTC. Okay. Now IRCTC, what is IRCTC? Indian Railway Catering Tourism Corporation. IRCTC offering the booking rail tickets and air tickets. Now you type here the www.irctc. Okay. Now your once home page is there, then you click here the login. Now here some COVID guidelines are given here. Here is the login. If you create account, you have to provide email address and your information. Click here on login. Now see here, my here already username and password is fitted here. Now he will ask for the CAPTCHA. What is CAPTCHA? Yes, completely automated public Turing test to all टेल computers and human apart. Means CAPTCHA क्या रहता है? ये जो भी दिख रहा है टेक्स्ट, the same text you have to provide here. This is known as the CAPTCHA. Okay. Once you provide this and click on the sign in. See here, how you know you are sign in here? Because here you can see the name, login. देखो दिख रहा है. Now you type the here name जहाँ से जाना है. Now you type here the Nanded. From Nanded to Delhi, if you want to go, you type here Nanded to Delhi, and here is the means general, Divyang, Tatkal, Super Tatkal, Premium Tatkal, as like options are there. Then you click the date here. Now in April month, COVID, due to COVID, all trains are cancelled. That's why we will see in the May month. Okay. Now you click on the search option. Okay. Now see here, on that day it's showing the one train here, Hudur Sahib Nanded, Sachkhand special. Okay. Now one train is showing here. Here the availability also showing. See here, sleeper, 3 AC tire, 2 AC tire, first AC tire. See here, if you want to book the ticket, 3 AC tire, you click here. Okay. Now click on the book now. Okay. Then he is asking for you are agree. Now if you are agree, click on the I agree.
I agree.
Okay. Then see here. Then he's asking for the details, some details, means passenger details. You add the details here, your name, age, gender, then you are from which country, India, and preferences, the birth preferences, lower birth, middle birth, upper birth, side birth. Okay. After that, see here again some details you have to provide here downside. See here. Here everything you have to provide the details, contact number, and at the end you have to click on continue. And see here payment mode is asking, and here the conveniences charges. See here, Beam UPI से 20 rupees plus GST है, यहाँ पे 30 rupees plus GST है. Through credit card, debit card, net banking. Okay, Beam UPI is the government authentic app. That's why charges are less here. Okay, these all are the private. That's why here charges are more. एंड क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू. कितने रुपीज जाएंगे? 20. पर अगर आप रेलवे स्टेशन पे बुक करने गए तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 आवर जाएंगे, पेट्रोल के 100 रुपीज जाएंगे. सो विच वन इज बेटर? दिस ऑनलाइन. ओके, understand? As like you can place the order, you can book the tickets with the help of IRCTC or any other app. Yes, any doubt bata regarding this lesson? Any students?
No, sir.
Huh?
No,
No,
No
sir.
doubts, students. Your
Menti.
all doubts are clear. See, check
Yes,
here.
sir.
Here only the
Yes.
Flipkart and IRCTC is given here. But you do practice at your home. Your account is there in Flipkart, I think. आपका नहीं है तो घर पे होगा किसी का तो भी. Okay. Now the next lesson is your internet security. Now I'm given you notes. Second, third, and fourth session. 5th, 6th, 7th sessions notes are pending. So tomorrow I will post or upload on WhatsApp group. So you have to complete and write in your class notebook. Now you are ready for quiz. Today's quiz. You all are ready for quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ready for quiz? Okay. Any doubts beta regarding these sessions? Any students? किसी को doubts है? Directly you can call me or you can ask here also. Wait 1 minute. बंद हो गया मेरे से. Wait 1 minute. I'm starting Menti quiz. Yes, anyone have doubts but regarding this one?
No, sir.
No doubts?
Sir. No, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Starting. Your next lesson is also very interesting. Internet security. After 8th session, then we will take the first lesson. Accessibility of key. That is related with the impairments, physical disabilities. Yes, ready for quiz? Can I start? Yes, beta.
Sir, code.
Sir, code
27581991. 27581991. Very good. Join fast. Time is very less today. 6 minutes are left only. Join fast, beta. Rest of the student you also join. Two 27581991. Can I start quiz? Because only 6 minutes are left.
Start, sir.
Yes, can I start but a quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Yes, ready for first question? Here. Dash is an online portal for booking bus tickets. Flipkart, IRCTC, Amazon, or Redbus. Yes, within time, Redbus. Very good. Because Flipkart is used for online purchasing. Then check the leaderboard. School leaderboard. You can check top 10 students' name. Yes, Ruturaj, Rudraksh, Yash, Tanmay, Gaurav, Nachiket, Dhanasri, Ritesh, Krish, Netal. Congratulations, Bada. Now you are ready for next question. Yes. Switch your screen and ready for next questions. You can make payment through Dash Gateway. Purchase payment product, all of this. Only 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now your time's up. Check your answers in a graphical way. Now everyone has voted. Okay. Now payment is the correct answer. If you want to pay online, then which gateway we can use? Payment gateway only. Okay. Huh? Now check the leaderboard, school leaderboard.
Sir.
Congratulations, the students Gaurav, Ruturaj, Yash, Rudraksh, Tanmay, okay, Varat, Saili, Tejbir, Arya, Akansha. Congratulations, Bata. You are ready for next question. Third question. Yes, Gangotri. Any doubts, Bata? You unmute yourself and speak with
I'm
me.
unable to join the online portal for.
Why, Bata? You are
Sir, I'm
check your
unable to join
network.
the quiz.
Network you check, Bata. Cash is an online portal. Booking railway tickets. The correct answer is none of these here. If you want to book railway tickets, we can't use the Amazon, Flipkart or such type of application. Only IRCTC. Huh? Check the leaderboard. और इंडियन रेल ऐप दोनों में से एक यूज कर सकते हैं. दूसरे भी है एक्सिगो ये वो, बट हियर इन दैट ऑप्शंस वो नहीं था आंसर. नाउ school leaderboard, top 10 student names: Yash Pandit, Gaurav Vyas, Tanmay, Tejbir, Varat, Arya, Netal, Rajnandini, Vardha, Atharva. Congratulations, Bada. Now ready for next question? Yes. Fourth questions, I think. Yes. Ready for fourth question? Answer fast to get more points, but
What
you
does
don't be in hurry. You give correct and proper answer. Time is not important. What does NEFT stand for? Here options are very confusion. You think and you attempt the answer. One, now time's up. Check your answers. Yes, correct answer is National Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT. When you want to send the small amount, we use the NEFT only. Now check the leaderboard. And when you want to send large amount, we use the RTGS, gross settlement. Yash Pandit, Atharva, Arya, Vardha, Varad, Nachiket, Akansha, Anushka, Viraj, Ruturat. Congratulations, Bata. And ready for last question. Fifth question. The last question will decide the today's winner also. What does ECS stand for?
What is electronic clearing system?
See, here also options are very confusion. You don't be in hurry. You read properly. First आने के चक्कर में कुछ भी मत करो. I need your correct answer. Time's up. Now check your answers in a graphical way. See, most of the students given here wrong answer. Electronic clearing system, ECS, when you want to deduct your loans installment, means EMI, that time bank will connect with your account, ECS. Now check the leaderboard and today's winner also. And next week I am taking your 8th session, so you read properly. 8th session, internet security. Yes, today's Ruturaj Sakre. Congratulations, Bata. Okay, daily new winners are okay. Congratulations. If any student is face any difficulty, directly you can contact with me. My number is with you. You can discuss your difficulties. Okay, and you inform to your friends also. Don't miss the parades. You take a screenshot.
Congratulations, Ruturaj Sakre.
See, Ruturaj Sagre, show your face.